First of all, what's going on with our case numbers? So across the country, they're going up. And it seems like everyone says, oh, it's the Delta variant, it's the Delta variant. But people have to remember it's also a good part of it is that we stopped paying attention to COVID in May. And we dropped all of our distancing and masking. And people are going back to bars and they're going back to doing what they were doing pre-pandemic, which, I don't blame people for doing that. But that actually probably has more of a component to our case rise all in all than the Delta variant. Where does that increased transmission seem to make the most difference is actually in the home, is in the household. And household transmissions now, where it used to be you had about a 20% risk of getting infected from someone in your household, now you have about a 40% chance. So the household is an area that is driving a lot of our increased cases. There are other areas and other places too where Delta variant has taken hold, and some of them, the old fitness center outbreaks are starting to come back and starting to get published. Delta in a fitness center is going to be more of a problem than the old COVID in the fitness center. Some in youth sports, summer camps where people aren't masking and aren't vaccinated. These are areas where outbreaks are starting to occur now. So I'll just parse out Forsyth County just to make it a little simpler. Our transmission here, per the CDC map, is substantial. So what do you have to be substantial? Well, you have to have a percent positivity of your tests above 10%. Ours is 5. And you have to have a case number between 50 and 100 per 100,000 per day over a 7-day rolling average. So ours is about 55 out of a scale of 55 to 100. So by their definition, we're just barely in that substantial range. And that's why we're that color on the map, so you know. So I guess the good news is it's not as bad as it is in a lot of other areas. But our cases are continuing to go up, and I think within a week we'll be firmly in the substantial range. And so we might as well start getting used to that now and being there.